Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this time I have got another video for you, but this would really help you out if you are struggling with relationships and money. So let's move forward. So Feng Shui can balance your life's struggles. Feng Shui is the key to transform the external environment like your office and your friend circle, your relationships, your money problem, just by altering your home settings. Many people among us struggle day by day to get their finances meet their needs. We always think that if we will work more at office, if we'll give more hours at work, then we'll be able to work ahead for our finances. But still, we are never ahead. Rather, we always struggle and always fall behind. So one group of people struggles for money, while there is another group of people who have sufficient amount of money, but they do not have prosperous relationships. So they are also and always in stress, tensions, and they cannot focus on their work and other activities of their life. And this is a very harsh reality that those who struggle with relationships, they cry during nights. I'm sorry to say this, but this is a really bitter phase of our lives. And even if we go out with heavy hurts. We don't enjoy with full hurt, but we were always like crying from inside if we struggle in relationships and love. And this is a very common practice when it comes to money and our relationships. We have watched several videos on YouTube. For example, how to become rich in 30 days, how to get your ex back, and how to make your partners fall madly in love with you, etc. etc. But my honest question is, does any one of you have gained anything from scrolling YouTube for hours? If you're also one of those, then there is a genuine problem with your internal home environment. Feng Shui is a Chinese practice, and it works through rearranging your living space and can definitely sort out almost all your problems. It talks about various colors, plants, rearrangements, etc. Today I'm going to introduce a product which can surely has the potential to transform your internal and external environment and can make your life prosperous in every aspect. So this very product will tell you that what is Chi, and how it works in relation to Feng Shui. Another thing is the productive and destructive cycles and how they work in conjunction with the Feng Shui practice. One question to all of you: you can't be happy unless you have a happy home, right? If you don't have peace, you can't have a positive flow in your life. It is significantly and most importantly that you make a connection and find harmony. When you incorporate Feng Shui, your situation can change from negative to positive. Changing your furniture can help you have a better relationship with others. What to install outside of your home to bring about change, what to do when you find positive energy in your home, what you can do to increase energy in the kitchen, why you should use the colors from Feng Shui method in your bedroom. The price for this is just £8.99. £8.99. You could be downloading and reading or listening to an introduction to Feng Shui in just 2 minutes from now. Don't wait for the miracle to happen. Make it happen for yourself, by changing your practices. There is a link given in the description box to get this product Feng Shui for you, because I truly want you to buy this product. To be very honest, this has a complete blueprint of how to proceed and how to change your circumstances significantly in your favor from negative to positive. Click the link below in the description box to get your product delivered as soon as possible to you. Dear friends, thank you for your presence on my vlog. Please do comment at the end of the video. And friends, if you have any questions, queries, product related or in general, write me on my email address mentioned in the description box. I'll be so much happy to answer your queries and to receive emails from you. I will wait for your emails and replies, and do mention your comments here in the comment section. Do like the video, keep supporting, keep showering your love, and keep supporting. I really need your support. To get your order for Feng Shui, there is a product link in the description box. Do click on the link, and see you again with another round of video with another product which may benefit my people, my friends, my bloggers and my vloggers. So see you soon, and till next time, take care, have a great day ahead. Good night, bye bye.